Topic: Trigonometric functions. Lecture 4 of 4. Express a cos theta plus minus b sin theta as r cos theta plus minus alpha or r sin theta minus alpha, and solve a cos theta plus b sin theta equals c. The equation 3 cos theta plus sin theta equals 1 can also be solved if the expression 3 cos theta plus sin theta is expressed in the form of r cos theta minus alpha, where r is positive and alpha is acute angle. So let r cos theta minus alpha become a cos theta plus b sin theta. Okay, this r cos theta minus alpha, we can go to use the compound angle. So we are going to use this cos A minus B equals cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So we have cos theta, r cos theta cos alpha plus sin theta sin alpha equals A cos theta plus B sin theta. And then now we go to split this r, so we have r cos alpha and then cos theta and then plus r sin alpha sin theta equals A cos theta plus B sin theta. Now we go to equate the coefficient of cos both sides. So equating the coefficient of cos theta, left hand side we will have r cos alpha and the right hand side equal A, and this will become the first equation. And we will go now to equate the coefficient of sin theta both sides. We shall get the left hand side one will have r sin alpha equals B, and this one will become second equation. Once we have this, we shall now go to, okay, the first equation we square plus the second equation we will square, and we will get r square cos theta alpha plus r square sin theta sin square alpha equals A square plus B square. And then we should go to factorize this r square times cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equals A square plus B square. And then we have r square equals A square plus B square, since we have cos square plus sin square is 1. So now we will have r as square root of A square plus B square. And the next one we will do, we will take this second equation divided by first equation, then we will get r sin alpha over r cos alpha equals B over A. And this r will be cancelled. So we have tangent alpha equals B over A. Hence, the expression A cos theta plus B sin theta can be expressed in the form r cos alpha theta minus alpha, where r is square root of A square plus B square and tangent alpha equals B over A. We conclude that A cos theta plus minus B sin theta as r cos theta minus plus alpha, and r equals square root of a square plus b square, and tangent alpha is b over a. A sine theta plus minus b cos theta is equal to r sine theta plus minus alpha. Then we have r equals square root of a square plus b square, and tangent alpha is a over b. What we can have in common, which trigo function that we have to use, is whenever the question we have here, this is cos theta, then we will use r cos. If it is sine theta, the first happen, okay, in the first place here, a sine theta, so we have to use r sine. Example 1. Express 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta in the form r cos theta plus alpha. Solution. Let 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta as r cos theta plus alpha. And then we have to use the compound angle r cos a plus b here. So we have cos alpha cos theta minus, okay, so we have to use this plus because by using the compound angle, this will give us negative or minus, because we want to equate with the left hand side one. This is minus. We cannot use minus here, okay, because afterwards we'll get this will be positive, and this positive does not equal the left hand side one, which is negative. Okay, so we have to select which trigo function is correct here, or which compound angle that you have to use, plus or minus. Okay, so we will have cos theta, cos alpha minus sine theta, sine alpha. Then we will get here, we want to split this r, so we r cos theta, cos alpha. And then minus r sine theta, sine alpha. The next part is to compare both sides. Okay, we have cos theta, okay, both sides. So the coefficient of cos theta on the left hand side is 3, and the coefficient of this cos theta on the right hand side is r cos alpha. Okay, and this will become equation number 1. And then we go on to find the coefficient of the r of this sine theta and also this sine theta both sides. Okay, find the coefficient. So we have 4. Okay, this is the coefficient of the sine theta on the left hand side, and on the right hand side, the coefficient of the sine theta is r sine alpha. Okay, so this will become equation number 2. And then next is to manipulate these two equations. So 1 square, equation number 1 we square, and then plus equation number 2 we square also. So this one will be r square cos square alpha plus r square sine square alpha equals 3 square plus 4 square. And we will have here, whenever we go to factorize this r cos, because it's happened twice here and also here, so now we go to factorize, and in the bracket we have this cos square alpha plus sine square alpha, which just brings us the value of 1. This is the identity or trigonometric identity. So on the right hand side is 3 square plus 4 square. Then we have r square equals 25, and r is 5. Just choose the positive value. And then 1 divided by 2, so we have r sine alpha over r cos alpha equals 4 over 3. And then we can cancel this r, so we have tangent, okay, this r and also this r. So we have tangent alpha equals 4 over 3, and then alpha is tangent 4 over 3 is 53.1. And then we have 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta, which is in terms of two different trigo function. And it is simplified now as one single function, that is 5 cos theta plus 53. Okay, this will be already simplified. This is only consists of one single function, while on the right hand side one just now is two trigo function, which is more complex to solve. This one is much more easier to solve. Example 2. Express 5 sin theta plus 12 cos theta in the form of r sin theta plus alpha. Let 5 sin theta plus 12 cos theta equals r sin theta plus alpha. So we go to expand this sin theta plus alpha using the compound angle. So we have sin theta cos alpha plus cos theta sin alpha. Okay, the next step is to go to compare both sides. Okay, the first one we go to compare the coefficient of sin theta. On the left hand side we have 5, and the coefficient of this sin theta is r cos theta. So we have from the right hand side we have r cos alpha. And we do the same thing on coefficient of the cos theta. On the left hand side is 12, and the coefficient of the cos theta is r sine alpha. So r sine alpha. So we mark here as this one is equation number 1, equation number 2. So equation number 1 square plus equation number 2 square, we have r square sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, which is 1, okay, equals 5 square plus 12 square. So we will have here r as 13. Okay, then we go to divide. Second equation divided by equation number 1. So we have r sine alpha over r cos alpha, which is we will have tangent. Sine over cos is tangent alpha, equals 12 over 5, and so we have alpha here as a acute angle is 67.4. Once we have alpha and also r, okay, we shall put into the question is 5 sin theta plus 12 cos theta, which is in terms of two different trigo function. And now it become one single function, so 13 sin theta plus 67.4.